Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com. Making this a small video for the weekend. On I think today's 14th, so there was Friday the 13th, I guess. No, 12th, 12th, right? Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this is a very volatile week, and this is how it went for me. Euro Aussie is the main pair that I'm hitting. Even though for in forex market everything moves, but some moves more and some less depending on the currency and the situation in that country, what's happening. Okay, so Euro Aussie lately is moving really big. Daily range is around 300. Okay, sometimes even more than that. A couple of days ago it did 400 something in one day. That's a lot. And then there's a very good chance of you getting 100, 150, 200 pip easy. So that's why I'm after this pair right nowadays. So anyway, let's take a look. This is Euro Aussie, and it is 8th February 8th. This is my long entry. You can see mostly you will see long because I'll show you the reason later on. And this is on the 9th. So, that's another long trade on Euro Aussie. And I did some other trades too, but I don't have. I forgot to make the charts. Not forgot, but I was very busy. That I had several position open, so I couldn't record the charts. So this is how it went on the 9th, February 9th. This is 250 pip. We went straight up, big time, and it was bouncing from a very good, excuse me, level, a very important level, 58.27. So that's what it is. And this is I'll show you, explain you that chart later. And this was on the 10th when it went all the way up and then started coming down. I took an advantage of that, so went down back to 58.27. Okay, and this is the one that I literally I did it step by step on the Twitter as well for all my clients. That yes, it's going down. I'm taking an entry, and this is how far it goes. And I, you know, I told the target ahead of time that 58.27 is that's where we are going, and it went down a lot further than that, but that was the target. Excuse me. So this is what happened, and finally we end up the week here. This is where we hit. See, this is why I took a short, because some very big high here, very important level, and always if you touch here, you're gonna have a 200, 300 pullback, right? And if you come and hit this is what happens. See, this high here, the price came here, and look how much it bounced. So it's very common sense, it's gonna react like that. So that's why I took the short, and let's see now what's happening. But why all my count 1, 2, 3? What is that? So this is, how far back this count, why I'm taking all the longs, because look at this. This is where I started, and I knew that it's going to go up around here. This is what 3, and this is we went and hit this level here. Okay. So every time it dip, let it go, or maybe take a small short, but mostly long, because I knew that it is going in that area. To this high. Maybe after a pullback, and we will go up again to touch this high. Time will tell. But right now we have touched this 127, this high here. So now we have to reevaluate that what is happening in that pair. And if you're interested, just subscribe. Then you will find out, because I will find out today, in fact. So this is how the Euro Aussie trades went, and besides that, I did a couple of trades here there. For example, the Euro USD was coming down after hitting this level here, and then poof, it went down all the way, right? And the very good chart which I traded, but I forgot or too busy to record the charts. Were let me show you where it is if I have the charts. This one. Okay, this is I sent that to my subscriber before chart, and then told him that this is very good Elliott wave count, very good setup, and it's gonna work out. And a lot of people were like, "Yeah, this is gonna drop this far." So yeah, it's nothing. It moved fast. You look at this drop here. So for this chart, what really happened to this one is this. Okay, this is the 11th February. It went all the way down, and I don't even have what, but it was a 400 pip drop. So I got my share out of that, but like I said, there was too busy taking in and out, and I couldn't record the charts. But yeah, and you know what? Why I'm interested in short on this pair always? Let me show you that. It is all depending on what do you know about it. So this is the chart I made a long time ago. It's like 2nd January. You see this ASEAN weekly chart? And my take was all the way down to one, here, 75. Can you believe that? 75, 76. Okay. And everybody were like, really? From 87, you're telling me it's going to 76. So yeah, this is the Elliott wave count is telling me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We need wave 5, maybe here, maybe here, maybe these lows. This is also important one. But what happened to this chart is so far this on as of today, 13th February. This is it. So we touched the channel here to the pip. We kissed that line. You see that? This is the channel. The second outer line, it touched it and it pulled back. Now the question is that if it is going to drop further or not, it all depends. So when the weekend comes in, it everything is just like finished, and then we start all over again to see that if we are if anything happened, if any big meeting going on, G20, G8 or something else, or some other big news out of the blue over the weekend, that can mess up the market and then change the direction of the market without knowing, and you will get caught up when the market opens. So need to be very careful when the market opens up. But so far so good. We hit this, we pull back, and may drop again, but I'll see when the market opens up and make new charts and then send out to subscribers. So this is how my before charts are very powerful. You can see one other chart that I'll show you. You'll be surprised. I made it. This monthly chart is a Canadian dollar index chart, that what will happen to Canadian dollar. And I made this on the 13th February. No, not this is. Oh, sorry. This is as of today. This is what happened for money pattern. But I made this before chart of this is in 20th February 2014. And we are today on 30th February 2016. So it took 2 years, but we hit my target anyway. Okay. Now, similarly, if you remember that, let me show you if I can quickly. The gold. Okay. Gold chart where I was tracking gold from here on from 2013, right? And my bottom target was 1032. And which I mentioned, if I have the chart here, oops. You see, even here, I said that, turn can happen without touching the blue sloping line, which is here, and that's what exactly happened. It start dropping big time. Now I said that, look, do you know when to start selling everything you have and buy the gold? And downside number you can see here is 1032. Even I think before, see right here, 1032. And before that, I'm not showing that number. So at least from here you can see, 2014, 11 July 2014, 1032 was the target, and finally we made 1046 the lowest, and in between there was like a harmonic pattern pulling up and down and this and that. But you will see that after a long time, this is the last chart we made. Yes, see, this is the low, 1046 low we made here. So my 1032 target, like a year and a half ago, and I was talking about it a year before, I mean like 2 years before, so that reached finally, and then we're going up. And believe me or not, this is the time to buy the gold, because you're not going to see lower than that. US dollar is pulling back, gold is connected to the US dollar. Canadian dollar, I just showed you, that need to get strong, and if that gets strong, US CAD will drop. US CAD dropping means US dollar will get weaker, which the index is showing the weakness already. And so it's a lot of things happening, and you need to know that if you want to trade this market. So if you think you like what you see here, and you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, Elliott wave and this and that, and get my before charts to trade nice and clean, The charts like this, I have it for next week. Beautiful charts set up, beautiful setups. And this is a 40-minute chart. It's not a big, weekly or monthly chart. This is a 40-minute chart that happens. In one day, you see all this mumbo jumbo. This whole drop was in one day. So it's a lot of opportunities to make money. But if you don't learn and if you don't know what you're doing, this is the most dangerous market as well. So between making money and losing in this market is learning. Okay, so I invite you to come on my website, join today, start learning, and then and my Magic IB system is a very good system to make precise entries, very good, nice and clean. By the way, this is for example, I don't have that, but let me show you. Let me show you how many. If I have it here, no. Let me open it quickly. Let me show you how many entries we got in that AJ. You'll be surprised. Magic IB system gave you so many hundreds of pips in that pair last week. This 20-minute chart. Okay, hold on. Let me go like this and then. So just look at that drop. This is after dropping, it went up. So, okay, so look at that drop. It was here, right? And then you drop here. This is an entry. This is a perfect by the book entry between this yellow and black line. This is an entry here. Then you have a beautiful touch here and then all the way down. So this is the power of the Magic IB system, and this is where it is stopped and start going up again. Okay, so learning and then having this 40-minute charts and 20-minute charts, the indicator, I give you everything. You get everything. Don't worry. So just go ahead and subscribe if you really want to trade profitably and learn all this. Today I have a webinar. I've been doing webinar lately almost every day, teaching the Elliott wave all over again, and I have a webinar today about fourth wave triangle. So join me. Today I have the webinar at 4 p.m. and right now is 10 p.m. It's about to be. It's 9:50. So you still have time. So if you see the video, you want to learn about the Elliott wave triangles and get this IB system to trade this new week, fresh week, then just go on my website and subscribe and be a part of this group. Thanks for watching. Have a very, very good day. And the weekend is over, but the school is off here. I don't know on your side. So kids still have a couple of more days to go. So to me, I'm always home. So, if the kids are off, I feel like a weekend. So I have a four-day weekend, right? Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, schools are off, closed. Anyway, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.